Hi friends, I am Pawan Chagla. Welcome in your channel Help in Hindi. Today I will discuss about how to choose best processor for Android mobile. When we are going to market or online market, I do not decide which processor best for mobile. So today I am discuss about that. Before that, I humbly request to you, please subscribe my channel and like and comment in my video. So let's start. And second thing, is octa-core based in comparison to hexacore or hexacore based in comparison to octa-core? Which one is the best? How to decide it? So let's start. First of all, I will tell about what is the processor. Friends, first of all, I will tell about what is the processor. If we talk about human brain, if human brain gives the instruction to body, the body perform according to this instruction. Similarly, processor give the instruction to perform any task or any work. So we can say that processor is the base processor is the brain of a mobile or computer or laptop. Suppose you want to open a Facebook or WhatsApp or any other apps, then op- Facebook or WhatsApp operated by the operating system. Yes, dosto. Yes, friend. Facebook and WhatsApp operated by the processor. So let's start. For choosing a base processor, we need to 4 point for judging the 4 point. That point first is architecture, second technology, third number of processor, and fourth frequency. I discussed all about that. So firstly, I discuss what is the architecture. What is the architecture? The architecture of the processor is design of processor. Yeah, friends. If we talk about the architecture of processor, that is design. ARMS is the architecture developed company. All architecture designed by the ARM company. First of all, ARM design architecture of processor. After that, it will submit to the processor making company like Samsung, Qualcomm, and MediaTek. Four basic companies which develop the processor. First, Exynos or उसी or Samsung. Second, Qualcomm and MediaTek and NVIDIA. So if we talk about architecture, so Cortex A5, Cortex A10, A Cortex A59, Cortex A57, this is architecture name. ARMS company change the architecture time to time, and the version of architecture A50, Cortex A5, Cortex A10, and Cortex A59. So how to choose the architecture? The best, a bigger number is the best processor, latest technology. Okay, so if we compare 59 and 56, then 59 is the best. So let's start. So let's discuss second point, technology. Friends, second thing is which technology used in processor. On the basis of architecture, all companies use the nanotechnology. For making the processor, nano transistor used. Now, first, transistor size. If the transistor size is less, the technology is greater. If we talk about Exynos is the best at that time, but it used the 14 nanometer transistor. And if we talk about the Qualcomm, it used the 20 nanometer size of the transistor. And we talk about the MediaTek, it used 26 nanometer size of the transistor. So if we talk about the latest technology, the Samsung AI Exynos is the best at that time. So we choose the Samsung processor because it used the small size of a transistor. Okay, friends. Now we are discuss about other points. Say third, number of cores. What is the number of cores? Suppose that you have two hands and one another person have four hands. So which person do the more work? Of course, that have a four hands. So cores means hand. You can understand. Yeah, relate that. Four cores means hands. So dual core means two hands. Quad core means four hand. Hexa core means six hand. Octa core means eight hand. So if we talk about the cores, then octa core is the best. But you can also choose the architecture and technology based, both based. After that, you go for the third point, number of cores. And if we talk about the fourth point, frequency, what is the frequency? The unit of frequency gigahertz. Suppose that you want to 1.5 or 1.7 gigahertz processor. So 1 gigahertz equal to 1 crore instruction. Suppose Facebook execute Facebook app is developed in the 1 crore instruction. So if we talk about the processor, so 1 gigahertz processor execute the 1 crore instruction in 1 second. So it is the main difference between the good processor and the bad. If we talk about the Exynos or Qualcomm, the Exynos is the best, but you can also review the first and second point, architecture and technology. After that, if we fourth, first, second, and third and fourth, architecture, technology, number of cores, and technology, both or remember, then you can choose the best app for your both best processor for your mobile. I hope that my knowledge you can understand, or my any information. If you have a problem in my any information, please comment me and please like me and subscribe. Thanks always.